Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy. Today in this presentation, we are going to discuss about linear equations. So first, let us know what is an equation. So an equation can be defined as an open sentence which shows the equality relation. So let us consider an example here which shows the equality relation. We have here x plus 5 is equal to 10. So this is an equation which shows an equality relation. So an equation, there will be two expressions on the either side of the sign is equal to. And here the expression which is on the left hand side is termed as LHS and the expression which is on the right hand side is termed as RHS. So now let us learn how to find the truth value or the solution of an equation. So here, for what values the given equation becomes a true statement, that value is called as an solution or truth value of an equation. So for satisfying the values, the value of LHS becomes equal to the RHS. For example here, let us consider an equation 2m plus 3 is equal to 7. Now here let us substitute the different values for the variable m and try to find the truth value of this equation. So first let us consider if m is equal to 1, then by substituting m value in the equation we get 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. That implies we get 2 1 time is 2 plus 3 is equal to 7, and therefore this would come as 5 is equal to 7. So we observe that 5 is not equal to 7, so we say that it is a false statement. Let us substitute m is equal to 2 in the equation. So we get here 2 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. That implies we get 2 into 2 as 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That implies we get 4 plus 3 as 7 is equal to 7. So we observe that LHS is equal to RHS, so this becomes a true statement. Now let us check whether m is equal to 3 satisfies the condition or not. So on substituting, we get 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 7. That implies we get 2 3 times is 6 plus 3 is equal to 7. So therefore this would come as 6 plus 3 as 9 is not equal to 7. So we can conclude that it is a false statement. And now let us substitute m is equal to 4 in the equation. So on substituting, we get 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That implies we get 2 into 4 as 8 plus 3 is equal to 7. And this would come as 8 plus 3 as 11, which is not equal to 7. So by this we can conclude that it is a false statement. So we observe that when m is equal to 2, it satisfies the condition LHS is equal to RHS and becomes a true statement. So the solution of the equation 2m plus 3 is equal to 7 is 2. And now let us consider some equations. Here we have 6 equations. So in the second, third and fifth equations, x is a variable. And if we observe the last equation, p is a variable. Now examine the other equations. In the first equation we have two variables m and n, and in the fourth equation we have three variables a, b and c. So according to these variables and the exponent of these variables, the equations are divided into linear equations and simple equations. So the linear equations are those equations in which the exponent of each variable is 1, and the simple equation is an equation which contains only one variable. So here the linear equations are the first equation m plus n is equal to 25, as here the exponent of m and n are 1. And similarly the fourth equation here a plus b plus c is equal to 10 is also a linear equation, as we have the exponents of a, b, c as 1. And the remaining equations here 2, 3, 5 and 6 are the simple equations. So this was a basic introduction on linear equations. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on linear equations on our website vitishacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.